if CBD actually does allay, reduce, or stop seizures and Parkinsonian behaviors, what are the reflections of serious illness to the rest of us who don't have a diagnosed serious illness? But what could the benefit be in our bodies and minds and emotions as well? That's the reflection. If it does that for them, what does it do for us? It brings on a state of calm. A state of calm. We will have less jitteriness about us. We will have more calmness in us at all times. Another is, if it actually does a great job against depression and anxiety, then what about us? Well, it just makes us a little more happy. And it takes away some of our thoughts, our depressed thoughts or our anxious thoughts. We don't have a disorder maybe, but what's it doing for us? After a couple of years of doing CBD myself, I can feel the difference. I approach life with a little more calmness in general. Why is that? Because CBD is proven to raise serotonin. And in lifting serotonin, as good as any doctor drug, they say, with 0 side effects. Hence, what do we get out of that and what did I feel? A sense of greater calm, a slightly different approach to life, a more calm understanding of what's happening around me. The stressors are there, but the stress isn't there as much because I'm in a lifted state and a valuable state as well that we can learn from that state. So if it gets rid of arthritis and gets rid of muscle and joint pain also in a big way, and I have a lot of that, bad arthritis in my hands, my legs were wounded badly in Vietnam, I have 2 titanium knees, and pretty shattered legs. Well, if it's getting rid of that, what's it doing for the rest of the folks? It's just taking away joint pain. It's making us better able to live our lives in a more happy and well-adjusted manner with less pain because of less inflammation and a sense of relaxation that it causes as well in the body. So it relaxes those joints, relaxes the areas that are in pain, as well as taking down, blunting the nociceptors or the pain receptors in our nerves, as well as pulling down the inflammation, which causes pain. So we, just general folks who don't have a giant reason or a giant illness that's assaulting them, still would take CBD because it creates a sense of less pain, more relaxation, less inflammation, more calmness in general. And even for me, if it gets rid of glaucoma and helps people with other eye illnesses, it has helped me just to see better. My right eye was wounded in Vietnam. That one's a bit better than it was, but my left eye, and by the way, I'm 70 years old, my left eye is like HD clear. And it wasn't that way before I started taking CBD. I enjoy looking at this left eye. It's so clear. I think it's helping my eyes in general. So for the rest of us, we have all these little things. If it helps your immune system, well, it can help against cancer if it raises your immune system and signals your spleen, I believe, to make the macrophage, which is the most powerful immune cells in our body. Well, for the rest of us, it might help us with a common cold or with some virus we have or some problem we have like that where our immune system needs some help. So all of us now have reasons actually to take CBD. You don't have to, but it's another wise choice you can make.